Changing your password on Instacart is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password easily. Step 1. Open the Instacart app or website. Launch the Instacart app on your mobile device or go to the Instacart website on your computer. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your current login credentials to access your account. If you're already logged in, proceed to the next step. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Look for the account settings option, usually found in the menu or profile section. Click on it to access your account details. Step 4. Select Change Password. Within the account settings, find the option that says Change Password or Password. Click on it to proceed. Step 5. Enter new password. Follow the prompts to enter your current password, then input your new password twice to confirm it. Save the changes to update your password. Now you can log in with your new password. Remember to keep your password secure and consider updating it regularly for better security.